ni Pearl Hospital.
Wongerereku wa andu aria mari na ndwari ya murimu wa kansa kaunti-ini cia Laikipia, Nyandarua, Samburu na Naikuru niguo ndu uria utumite thibitari wa Pearl Nyahururu wihotore na kwambe motungata ma kurigita murimu wa kansa niguo kuhuthia thabari ndaihu iria andu makoretwo magithie kwetha utungata uyu. Motungata mangi maria maruguritio ni uhuri wa mbica cia mwiri hamwe na njira cia kiriu cia kugia ciana. Ndagitari Ken Muthoka na Muruna we Priscilla Maina makiuga matacukite ikinya ria kwambia utungata uyu kuona arwaru aingi makoretwo magitangika ni thabari ndaihu magetha motungata maya.
These are essential services and very long awaited in our region. It will help prevent patients and clients traveling long distances that previously many people have had to travel.
The introduction of this service here is a great milestone, and this will not only benefit the patients who come to Pearl Hospital, but this will also benefit other patients who go to other hospitals in this region.
Ndagitari aya manyitirire na kuga he bata thirikari na thibitari cia andu kiumbe manyitanire niguo kwarahura sekta ya ugima wa muingi niguo kunyihia ikiro cia utheremu wa mirimo ngurani.
In the spirit of public-private partnership, that some of these services can also be extended to the county hospitals, including the general hospitals, to just avoid replicating services that are already provided because we all serve the same community.
Gavana wa Laikipia Joshua Irungu akiaria thutha wa kuruguria mihango eno ni atogeretie ikinya riri akiuga riukite guteithia aikari a Laikipia kuona ni makunyihia muhatikano munene thibitari-ini cia thirikari.
Tunataka kutangazia watu wetu wa Laikipia, watu wetu wa Samburu, watu wa Baringo, watu wetu wa Nyandarua na Nyeri na wale tunapakana na wao ya kwamba now you don't need to go to Kenyatta National Hospital. You don't need to go to Nairobi Hospital. It is here with us. In our small town called Nyahururu, you can now get that.
Tunapeleka watu Nakuru, tunapeleka watu saingine tupeleke pale Madhari. Lakini sasa tukipata facility kama hii, itakuwa rahisi sana hata kuja kuleta hiyo mwenye kuna hiyo shida hapa karibu.
Irungu oigite ona gutuika thirikari yake ni irutanire kugacirithia motungata ma urigiti kuri na wagi wa macini imwe undu uria ukoretwo ugicungirirĩa arwaru guthie na nja wa kaunti. Indi riu unyitaniri wao na thibitari cia andu kiumbe ni ukurehe umithio munene makiria.
My all-time call has been and will always be on the collaborative approach between the public and private healthcare institutions in addressing the diverse healthcare needs of the population.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa WIRA.